Howdy crew, got a new unboxing for the welding rig. Let's get to it. As y'all can see, got some more boxes for the welding rig. Super excited to open them up. These are from Speed Tech lights. I'm gonna go put this on the ground for the moment. I'm going to open this critter on up. So as y'all can see, it does say fragile all over. And of course, Speed Tech, all that good stuff. And I'm going to kind of say what exactly it is, so y'all can see it without knowing what it is. I don't like spoiling that for an unboxing to where I tell you what it is before it's even unboxed, and there's no point to see what it is. All right. There we go. All right. There we go. Surprise, surprise, it's wrapping. No, that's not the whole video. But I'm very excited for this. This has been on the road for a bit on the way. So, I'm gonna go start chucking this stuff out. Keep it flying, keep it flying. All right. Get most of that stuff out of the way. I will open this little critter up. What is this little critter? All right, we have a control box. What's that? Little screws. A little control box. Y'all can see what the control box looks like. And I'm gonna go into more details to what that is. Actually, it was upside down. My apologies. It's upside down for y'all. So there's control box. And I will show y'all what it's gonna control in just a moment. Alrighty. So more packaging, nothing in there. Got some brackets. That's good stuff. Need some brackets. Nothing in there. And yes, so you all know, it's just like Christmas wrapping stuff. I do go through all the packaging when I'm done with these, just to make sure there's no extra little screws or anything there in little packages. I always like to do that with Christmas wrapping as well, just make sure there's nothing, something stuck in there. So let me go ahead and get some of this stuff out. A bunch of wires. What that means, I have no clue, just a bunch of wires, but wires. And more wires. Alright, let's see if we can, fuses, again, that's why I check things, fuses. Alright, how do I get this critter out without breaking it? Let's see. Let me take some more of this out. Taking a little bit of a moment. I just don't want to break this. It's very expensive. I will say they do a good job with their packaging, so definitely props to Speed Tech for their packaging. A lot of places won't package like this even on expensive items. So definitely props to them for that. All right, now that's done. Let's see. There we go. And in a moment, we'll go ahead. Ta-da! A little off balance with these things. I don't know if y'all can see what this is yet. Find a good open spot for it. There we go. Go ahead and lay it down since there's some stuff in here. And slide it out. Almost there, y'all. Hold on, crew. There we go. Yeah. So, this is the light bar. It weighs 42 pounds, and which isn't bad. That's not bad at all. I'm actually very happy at how light it is. So it's not gonna be too much weight on the truck, and it has the mounts to go onto the gutter parts. And they do have specific mounts for the Ford F series. So, but they also have for F-150s and then the F-250 and up series. So I think that's something you all should look at if you are looking at Speed Tech lights. And everything's looking good. No damages. I am liking that. Alright, that looks good. Everything looks good. Wires are intact. So I'll bring back up the other stuff. More wires. Got the F series brackets, and then the control box. Obviously, I'll go into more detail once this is on the truck and operational, but this is off, this is front, this is back, and this is all of them are on. Mode, pattern, takedown lights, alley lights, cruise lights, auxiliary, left, both directions, right and night. And let's see. I'm gonna go into more detail once this is actually on the truck. I ordered the tow one. So what that means, what's nice about the tow compared to the regular K series, whatever this is. I've been seeing so many different numbers lately. This one, when I'm braking or turning a certain direction, I have a left signal on or right signal on, it will flash left or flash right with red. Or if I'm braking, it'll turn both on. So that's really nice. I do really like that. And of course, it'll have all the patterns, which I'm excited to show once it is on the truck and everything. But I just want to make sure everything was out. And of course, we have the other package here from Speed Tech. So I'm going to go ahead and push that forward, move this back. So yes, the light bar is very exciting, but also open this up. Perfect. Matching, some stuff flew out. Speed Tech lights, so they have little stickers in there. Who don't like stickers? Something for my very best friend I journal with. I'm getting into journaling with my very best friend, so if y'all are into journaling, reading, be sure to check out the Pixie Girl Reads channel. My very best friend and I do reading. She does all kinds of decorations, hauls from different stores. It's really a blast to watch. I really enjoy it, and sometimes where they're crafting together, so it is a blast doing that or reading together. And all right, going to this now. Did I get a free flashlight? Sorry, possible free item alert. Yeah, who don't like free stuff? I already got a sticker. What more else could you ask for? Got a flashlight. I've been wanting a flashlight for the rig, which that opens this side. All right. Ha! I got a free flashlight and a battery, and a good battery. It's the, no, it's one of those cheapo batteries. Never mind. Still a free flashlight. I thought it was a Duracell battery. There we go. Alright. Perfect. So, you all can see, it does work. And I don't know if the turning makes it wider, whatnot. If you all can see, I don't know if it's flashing or what. So, free flashlight. That highlight all by itself. I love free stuff. All right, back to this. We got our should showcase the free sticker as well. Free sticker, free flashlight makes this entire purchase worth it. Bunch of wires. wires, and I did order extra wires with this. So good, wires, one more wire. Aha, there we go. So y'all may wonder, what are all these wires for? It certainly can't be for this, the light bar, and it's not. What it is actually for 10 of these, and these are amber white lights. They are half amber and half white, so they'll be flashing back and forth. They'll have to be hardwired and not alternating, to where whatever pattern I want them in, I have to designate that I want that one, and they're going to be wired that way. I can't change them to different patterns, unfortunately. I was hoping I would be able to, but I can't, but that's fine. Main thing is this one can be changed, the light bar can be changed to different patterns. I showed y'all the patterns that it can do on a prior video, so if y'all want to see that before I actually get it hooked up to the truck, then y'all can check that out. So there are 10 lights now. I'll go to open one up so y'all can see what they look like. I'm very curious to see it in person as well. Obviously, I've used trucks with these, but not these exact same ones. All right. So here are the lights. It's not a blue light, it's just a film that's on there. Let me get the film on. There. So there's 6 lights on here, 3 of them flash amber, 3 of them flash white. So very excited for that. They're going to be around the truck. I already have designated spots that I want them, and they're going to be hooked up with these wires to these critters to the battery. However it works, it's going to get hooked up. So anyways, I'm not a car person, I'm not a truck person. That's not my expertise. Welding, professional that. Truck stuff, don't know much. I know that there's an engine, there's a gas tank, there's tires. I'm not a mechanical person. So I will be hiring a group of folks to install all this for me. So yeah, I'm very excited to get that done. It does come with a little foam thing. I assume the foam just goes on the back after you punch a hole through it, and it'll be right against the truck, so don't scratch nothing. This one. So yeah, that's today's unboxing for lights. Very excited about it. Can't wait to get this on the truck. It'll be several more weeks before that happens, because there's other things in motion before everything gets done at once. Everything's getting put on the truck in 1 week. The truck will be gone for a week, and everything's being installed in that week. So very excited for it. I'm very, very happy that all this came. Now I have to figure out where to put all this stuff in the meantime, but I will figure out a place to put it. Free flashlight and free sticker. To my very best friend, we have to journal with the sticker. It's a sticker, you got to journal with it. So very excited about that. Free flashlight, it's going to go on the Molly panels or in one of the pouches. So that's great. And I think that's great. I mean, you spend enough money. This was all $1,500, something like that. Maybe a little bit more, maybe $1,800, going on $2,000, in that ballpark. And they give you a nice little flashlight. So that's cool. I like that. And it has the STL SpeedTech lights. So I'm hoping it's a nice, good light. It doesn't look like a cheapo one, so that's nice. Plenty of wiring, which it's wiring to me. I know this is supposed to go to different things, but to me it's just wiring. As long as all that's supposed to be there, that's fine and dandy. I will double check counting everything, make sure everything's good, get all this stored away, and then get it ready for being put on the truck. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.